my gosh, he's coming. Come here, Blue. Go. Come on. Oh, he flies. He's flying this time.
Should we do something about animals?
Okay, hold this. Come here. Come here. Pick me. Pick me. Come on. Yeah. This time I'm recording you. So don't pick me again. Come on my shoulder. Come on my shoulder. On my shoulder. There you go. There you go. Don't ping me. Okay, let's go. Come on. Here we go.
I did not see that.
Wait. Blue. Blue, look. Look, Blue. Look. Blue. Blue. Come on. Oh, there's food. Go on. Eat some. Look. Eat some. Eat some. Come on. There you go. Okay, it's your turn.
Now, Lou is eating. Let's go closer. Way closer to Lou.
Okay. Now, since we saw Baloo, let's go to the dog. Ducks. Ducks. Look. Come on. Come on.
Dog's got a bone now.
Come here.
Should I
Come
bring
here.
some food for ducks?
Nah, look. He's got his bone.
Oh, yeah.
And his biscuits. Come here, Lila. Come here, girl.
That could have been our dance thing.
Come here.
There.
Come on. What?
It's like,
Come on.
what
Yay.
are the bones of those?
Come here. Come here. Ducks. Come here, my queen. Hello. 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 No, what are you doing? I know. Come on. Come here.
Oh, Olivia, we can pretend we can keep on hitting them, and I can pretend we're in the snow.
No. Because then it's just gonna ruin them.
Hun? Oh yeah, true.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come on. Come on. There you go. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
High five.
Come on.
Did I just hear blue?
Nah.
I don't know why I can't talk so much.
Okay. No, you're attacking me. No. No.
Oh, does McQueen like this? Oh, has McQueen got bitten before?
Huh?